How to transplant Rose of Sharon. Rose of Sharon bushes, or trees, add bright colors to your yard. The delicate leaves are a bright green. The flowers bloom in many colors. They are a very hardy plant and require little care, especially if they are allowed to grow into trees. Just one Rose of Sharon will yield many more for your yard. These tiny little offsprings are easy to transplant to a place of your choice. Things you will need: water, small shovel. Check an existing tree for the little offsprings that sprout up all around them. Once you see them growing, let them get several inches tall. Pull the little sprouts out of the ground. This is easy to do if the plant is just a few inches tall. The best time to do it is right after a rain. You can also water the little Rose of Sharon. Grasp the plant right at the ground and gently pull straight up. It will pop out of the wet ground with its roots intact. Decide where you want the little plant and dig a small hole. Place the little Rose of Sharon back in the earth and pack the dirt around it. You may want to put a small fence or bricks around it, until it gets big enough to see it better. Digging up larger Rose of Sharon bushes require using a small shovel. Bushes that are 3 to 4 feet tall are easily dug up and transplanted. Dig into the earth several inches away from the base of the bush all the way around. Do this right after a rain, or after watering the bush. Dig at a slant to get under the bush's roots. Grab the bush at ground level and gently pull it up out of the dirt. Replant it in the area you have chosen. Dig the hole the same size as the one you dug to get the plant out of the ground. Water the plant in its new space. Fertilizer is not necessary, as this bush is very hardy and will grow very well with hardly any help from you. You can keep it topped off to make it bush, or you can just let it grow into a natural-looking tree. It will grow very fast, so make sure the spot you choose will allow for it to bush out and shoot up. Tips: warnings. Plant 2 small sprouts of different colors in the same hole and they will grow and mix their colors. Transplanting these little sprouts from a friend's yard is a great way to save on landscaping.